Hello guys, welcome back. Well, this is the second part and second video file about questions related to objects. In the previous file, we talked about the stages that you have to cover in order to have a well-organized speech for a question related to an object. But for now, let's go through details, because as I have already told you, and I told you many times, that if you want to get a better score, you got to be talking about details. You got to describe something into small, tiny puzzles. Okay? And right now we're going to be dealing with the adjectives of appearance. When it comes to speaking about an object, you got to talk about the appearance of an object. You got to talk about the size, the shape, the color, the origin, the material. And to do all this, you definitely need some adjectives to describe them. Well, follow me, please, and let's go through some technical tips and strategies to describe an object in a very meticulous and flawless way. Let's move on. Well, describe the appearance of an object in natural, high-band English using the correct adjective order. So always remember that. Do not use more than 3 types of adjectives, because using more than 3 is not natural. And if you want to put them, if you want to use adjectives, you got to put them in order, okay? You got to start with opinion, then comes the size, age, shape, color, origin, and material. So when you describe something, English speakers usually follow this pattern. For example, a beautiful, huge marble statue. So beautiful is the opinion. Let me bold it. Huge is the size, and marble is the material. So 3 adjectives, no more than 3, please. Now, let's take a look at some sample examples. For the opinion, you could say silly, cute, terrible, and the rest. Please take notes, use them in order to get a better score in terms of lexical resource. For the size, tiny, compact, huge, enormous, life size. We got some adjectives for age, like old, modern, brand new. For shape, like round, square, diamond-shaped. For color, you already know them. Origin, where is it made of? Chinese, African, European, American, or the material. Now let's put them into practical examples. I bought a cute, tiny blue toy. Cute, tiny blue toy. And as you see, the order is observed. Cute is the opinion, tiny is the size, and blue is the color. In the corner of my room, there is an old rectangular table. My friend gave me a lovely silver mirror. At the festival, we saw a huge rainbow-colored dragon. So, details, details, and details. Description, description, description. If you put these small, tiny, little puzzles together, you definitely get a better score, and you're not going to get stuck in band 6, or let's say 6.5. All right? I hope it was fruitful for you. I'll be back soon.